Using an Afterpay credit card can be a convenient way to make purchases online or in store. But it is essential to understand the best practices to avoid overspending and accumulating debt. First, it is crucial to read and understand the terms and conditions of the Afterpay credit card, including the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms. To use an Afterpay credit card responsibly, make a budget and track your expenses to ensure you can afford the repayments. Set a realistic budget and stick to it, taking into account the Afterpay repayments and any other financial commitments. It is also vital to make timely repayments, as missing a payment can result in late fees and interest charges. Another key concept is to keep track of your spending, as Afterpay allows you to make purchases without paying the full amount up front. Use the Afterpay app or website to monitor your account activity and ensure you are not overspending. Additionally, consider setting up automatic payments to ensure timely repayments and avoid late fees. When using an Afterpay credit card, it is essential to prioritize needs over wants and avoid making impulse purchases. Make a list of essential items and stick to it, avoiding the temptation to buy non-essential items. It is also crucial to avoid using the Afterpay credit card for everyday expenses, such as groceries or utility bills, as this can lead to overspending and debt. To get the most out of an Afterpay credit card, take advantage of the zero interest rate and no fees for on-time payments. Make the most of the flexible repayment terms, and consider using the Afterpay credit card for larger purchases, such as electronics or furniture, where the repayment terms can be spread over several weeks. In summary, using an Afterpay credit card requires discipline and responsible financial management. By reading and understanding the terms and conditions, making a budget, tracking expenses, and prioritizing needs over wants, you can use an Afterpay credit card effectively and avoid accumulating debt. Remember to make timely repayments, keep track of your spending, and avoid using the credit card for everyday expenses to get the most out of the Afterpay credit card and maintain a healthy financial situation.